Alright guys, they've opened up 2 lines and it's still going all the way back, probably almost out to the street. So, big turnout, big turnout. I'm about 3 cars back now, so they had 1 line and it was going all the way out to the street, so they opened up a second one. Looks like they're trying to get a lot of the big rigs in the second line to shorten the 1 line. Anyway, yeah, there's awesome turnout. I hope we can get a few hits in, and that's I mean, it's going to be expensive test and tune because it's a full you know, it's a 3-day weekend, but nonetheless I've got limited opportunities to come out here anymore, so I'm going to take advantage of it when we can. And obviously the track should be prepped pretty well, so we will see. Seen a lot of good cars pull up so far, a lot of nice looking cars. So all right guys, I'll check in with you when we get unloaded. Going to check everything under the hood. The laptop got fired up here, so let me get that connected. We'll check under the hood, then we'll head up and get teched in, and then we'll be ready to make a pass. Almost 14 volts at idle. Get my 2-step ready. Set at 6,000. That's a little aggressive. I think I was going to try 6,000 last time. Let's go. Let's start at 5,200. Okay. Okay, we're coming up to temp. Let me look under the hood, and then we'll run up into the stand. We'll run up and get teched in.
I need Tim with the 1988 S10 to the tower, please. Tim, I don't know what that says for your last name, but you have an 88 Chevy S10 from Whitefield, Oregon. Can you come to the tower, please?
Not again. Oh no. Alright guys, first pass I let out of it 1194 at 99 miles an hour, so nowhere near where we want to be. I'm hot lapping it, going to try again. See if we can get it cooled down a little bit and go from there.